Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to add branded content on TikTok. So guys, it's very easy. Now let's get started. The first step to take is open your TikTok app, head to your profile, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, go to settings and privacy. Now we need to switch to a business account, so click on manage account, and here you get the option to switch to business account. Click on the switch to business account, click on next button at the bottom, select a category for your business type. You can add your email or skip that for now. Alright, so now we are all set. We have successfully switched to a business account. So the next thing you have to do is to click on the three lines at the top right corner of your TikTok profile, and here you're going to get business suite. Click on that, and right here there is an option for branded content, so go ahead and click on that, and you have to click on the branded content option. And as you can see right here, there's no branded content post, so you have to click on the approve button at the bottom of your screen and search for a partner. For example, I'm going to approve this and this. Once you're done, go back and you have it right here. So if you click on the approve business partner options, and you find them right here it says approve business partner can tag you in branded content, and you can see the data insight from right here, from the data insights option here. So guys, this is how you can add branded content on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching.